Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete Snapchat pixel setup to help you improve your tracking and campaign performance. Start by opening the FB and TikTok Pixel app, then choose Snapchat from the options. Click on Add Snapchat Pixel to proceed with the setup. Now, fill in the required fields provided. You can enter any suitable name for the pixel as per your preference. To get your Snapchat Pixel ID, log in to business.snapchat.com and create a pixel. I've already created many, so I'll simply select the existing pixel. Locate your pixel ID, copy it, and paste it into the designated field. To obtain your Snapchat Access token, go back to your Snapchat business account and navigate to Business Details. Scroll down to the Conversions API Token section and click on Generate Token. If a token is already available, simply copy it and paste it into the required field to complete the setup. Now, click on Save, and your pixel will be successfully added. Make sure to install the Snap Pixel Helper extension on your Chrome browser to verify that your pixel is working correctly. Now, we will visit the store and manually perform events to verify that the pixel tracking is working correctly. You can see which events are firing. Now, let's check the Add to Cart event. And it has successfully triggered as well. Next, go to your Snapchat business account, select the Event Manager, and choose the pixel you created for your ad. Now, you can verify that the pixel is tracking correctly. Here you see that all the pixel is tracking correctly. That's it. Now your pixel tracking is fully set up and working correctly. White heavy check mark. Make sure to monitor your events regularly to ensure accurate ad data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials on pixel tracking and ad optimization. Thanks for watching.